Hi guys, welcome to the third edition of Smarter Living. Today, we're going to launch many new consumer IoT products here in India. Many people think of Xiaomi as a smartphone company. We're of course a smartphone brand. We are one of the largest and one of the fastest growing brands across the world. But we are also a consumer IoT platform. In fact, probably the biggest one. As we speak, we have more than 300 million consumer IoT products across the world. 300 million. So this means 30 crore people have bought an MI consumer IoT product across the world. And we have been launching many of them here in India. We started few years ago by launching our first Mi Band here. Then we launched smart routers, smart air purifier, smart water purifier, and 2 years ago we launched our smart TVs called as Mi TVs. And beginning of this year we launched our flagship Mi Notebook for all our Mi fans in India. And I'm super thrilled to say that we are entering a brand new category today. So unveiling our first smartwatch in India, and we are calling it Mi Watch Revolve. Let's start with the design. Mi Watch Revolve is very beautiful and elegant. It comes in two different colors, midnight black with space black straps and chrome silver with Neptune blue straps. The silicone straps are durable and comfortable on the skin. We also have few more strap variants depending upon your personal taste. These includes the Astral Olive, Cosmic Dust Maroon, and a really cool leather strap in midnight black, which will be available on mi.com very soon. Now let's talk about display. Mi Watch Revolve comes with an AMOLED display which makes it very bright and vivid. When we asked our Mi fans, this is something that everybody asked for. They wanted a display where they can read notifications and content even during daytime. And we have tried to ensure this with Mi Watch Revolve. Mi Watch Revolve comes with a brightness level of 450 nits, which is similar to what we provide in our mid-premium phones. Introducing a new feature on Mi Watch Revolve, and that is Smart Always On display. Whenever you're wearing the watch on your wrist, the display will be always on, and when you take it off and keep it on the table, it will know that you're not wearing it, and the display will be switched off, and hence giving you a great battery life. Nowadays, all of us are working from home, and it can be very tiring. It feels like we are always at work and our days seem longer, and it can put a lot of pressure on us. We cannot go out to exercise, and our stress levels can go really high. And that's where Mi Watch Revolve steps in to help all of us. I'm happy to share Mi Watch Revolve is one of the first few smartwatches in the country to come with first beat algorithm. And for all the sports enthusiasts, we also have 10 specialized sports modes in Mi Watch Revolve. So whether you're running outside, running on a treadmill, you're cycling, or even swimming, we have you covered. This also means Mi Watch Revolve is waterproof up to 50 meters. So you can take your Mi Watch Revolve for a shower or for swimming, and you can be assured that nothing will happen to your Mi Watch Revolve. Now let's talk about the other smart features on Mi Watch Revolve. This is a smart watch and comes with GPS and GLONASS integrated in this. This means you don't need to carry your smartphone when you go out for exercising or for running. You can just carry your Mi Watch Revolve. All the data will be stored in your watch, and it will be transferred to your phone when you sync it with the Xiaomi Wear app. It also has a host of other smart features such as managing music, managing calls, reading notifications, and setting alarms. And not just this, over next few months, we're going to launch many more smart features and we will push this through an OTA update. Now let's talk about battery, something which is very important for all smartwatch users. When we spoke to our Mi fans, we found out this was the #1 complaint. People bought smartwatches but stopped using very soon because they had to charge it again and again. If you look at some of the leading smartwatches, they only last for a day or two, and this is something which is not a common user behavior for most of our Mi fans. And we are trying to solve this with Mi Watch Revolve. Battery has always been a big focus area for us. If you remember Mi Band from the beginning, we've always provided a battery life of 2 to 3 weeks, and we're trying to do something similar with Mi Watch Revolve. I'm happy to share Mi Watch Revolve comes with 1 to 2 weeks of battery life. If you're a heavy user with all the notifications always on display, it should last for a week. And if you're a light user with less number of notifications not always on display, it can go up to 2 weeks, and that is really phenomenal. So let's look at some of the competition smartwatches. These are some of the best selling smartwatches available in the country. We have 2 of them with first beat algorithm, which is Amazfit Stratos 3 and Huawei GT2 Sports, and 2 other smartwatches without first beat algorithm, which is Huawei GT2e and Honor Magic Watch 2. All of them come with a stainless steel body, but only one of them come with Gorilla Glass 3, and Huawei GT2 Sports come with an AMOLED display similar to Mi Watch Revolve. So you can see Mi Watch Revolve brings the latest and the best specs with stainless steel body, Gorilla Glass 3, 46mm AMOLED display, GPS, GLONASS and a host of other smart features, and this is one of the few watches to come with first beat algorithm. Other smartwatches with first beat algorithm cost around 14 to 15,000 rupees, and the ones without first beat algorithm cost 12,000 rupees. So what should be the price of Mi Watch Revolve? I'm happy to share we are launching Mi Watch Revolve at only 10,999 rupees, and we also have an inaugural price, an early bird offer for all our Mi fans. Anyone who buys this watch from now till Diwali can get it at only 9,999 rupees.